Hi, I'm Josh with Woodland Mills, and this is the overview video for the WC68 PTO-driven wood chipper. I want to start with the horsepower requirement. So it's designed for tractors with a PTO horsepower between 20 and 50. In the lower horsepower range, you're going to want to make sure that your tractor is capable to pick it up. So it's 710 pounds. The tractor is going to need to spin this PTO shaft at 540 RPMs. We do include the PTO shaft with the chipper. This has been designed as a direct drive. So the 540 RPMs go straight in and turns that flywheel at the 540 RPM. We run our hydraulic pump off a belt with a spring-loaded tensioner for ease of use and low maintenance. We've got this set up for Category 1 3-point hitch as well as quick attach compatible. We use a clamshell design to house the flywheel. The flywheel is 24-inch diameter, 3/4 inch thick plate, and it holds 4 blades at 8.5 inches long each. It rides on a 2-inch main shaft that's bolted and flanged to transfer the torque. Our manual tube is here at the side. This is going to include all the assembly instructions as well as the hardware package. For the infeed system, we use a hydraulic drive. So the pump is driven by the belt. The pump makes the pressure, comes through a control system to give us a forward, neutral, and reverse for the infeed system. We push that material into the chipper with an 8.25 inch diameter infeed roller with chisel teeth. We've got a speed control on here so we can control the rate at which we feed the material into the chipper. We'll also see there's a reservoir tank for the hydraulic system, and it holds 20 liters or 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid. As we go around to the back, you'll see the infeed chute. You're going to see the control bar, which will let us do forward, material in, neutral, and reverse, where the material comes back out of the chipper. This system, the infeed chute can be folded up for storage and for transport. And then it has locks to keep it in the down position, and the control bar gets attached to the control valve. So with the chute flipped open, you'll see the clear curtains, and then I'll give you a better view of the infeed roller and the chisel knives on the edge. This is a 6-inch by 8-inch opening, which allows larger branches to flip sideways and come through or wise in the material. Next, I want to go on and show you the discharge chute, which is 360 degrees rotatable with a quick latch that allows it to be set in increments anywhere in the 360 degree range. And the deflector will also allow you to place chips either far away or close to the chipper, depending on where you set it. The hydraulic tank takes 20 liters of fluid, 5 gallons, and it has the filter built within, and you top it up here on the back side. Just above the hydraulic tank, you'll see the anvil or bed plate. It's got 3 bolts here to secure it in place, and we use this knob to position it off the blades. This has been the overview video for the WC68. For more detail, please watch our full-length video. This has been Josh with Woodland Mills.